Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English podcast for beginners. My name is Amelia, and I'm very happy to have you here today. In today's episode, we are going to talk about a very useful topic, doing housework in English. Housework is something we all do every day. We clean, cook, wash, and organize our homes. But many English learners feel confused when they want to talk about housework in English. Maybe you don't know the right words. Maybe you don't know how to ask for help. That is completely normal. Today, I will help you learn how to talk about housework in simple English. We will use easy words, real-life examples, and lots of questions that you can practice every day. Let's begin. First, let's talk about why housework is important. Doing housework keeps your home clean and comfortable. It helps you stay organized. It keeps you healthy. It also helps you practice English every day. You can ask yourself, what chores should I do today? Which room needs cleaning first? Do I need any tools? Asking these questions helps you plan your day. It also gives you confidence when speaking English. Now let's look at some common housework tasks. Cleaning the room, washing dishes, doing laundry, vacuuming, cooking meals, taking out the trash, making the bed, dusting, organizing books or clothes. You can ask questions about these tasks. How do I clean the floor quickly? Which detergent should I use? Is it okay to start with the kitchen? Let's talk about useful question words for housework. Use what to ask about things. What should I clean first? What tools do I need? Use which to ask about options. Which room should I clean first? Which cleaning product is better? Use how to ask about ways or methods. How do I fold these clothes? How can I clean the windows quickly? Use is or are to ask yes or no questions. Is the kitchen clean? Are the dishes washed? Let's practice some example questions together. Repeat after me. What should I do first? Which cleaning product is best? How can I wash this faster? Is the laundry ready? Are the windows clean? Great job! Now let's talk about some daily routines. Morning questions. What chores should I do first today? Is the bed made? Are the dishes clean? Afternoon questions. Can I vacuum now? How long should I cook this meal? Which room should I tidy first? Evening questions. Is the laundry finished? Did I wash all the dishes? Can I relax now? Next, let's look at cooking and kitchen tasks. You can ask, what should I cook for breakfast? How much oil do I need? Which recipe is easier? Other examples. Can I help cook with you? Is the soup ready? Do I need to chop the vegetables? Now let's talk about cleaning the bathroom. Common questions. Which cleaner should I use? How often should I clean the toilet? Are the towels washed? You can also ask politely, could you help me scrub the sink? Would you mind cleaning the mirror? Next, let's talk about laundry. Questions you can ask, which clothes need washing? What temperature should I use? Is this detergent enough? Other helpful phrases, can you fold these clothes for me? Are the socks clean? Do I need to iron the shirts? Now let's talk about vacuuming and dusting. Questions for practice. Is the carpet clean? Do I need to dust the shelves? How can I clean under the bed? You can also ask, should I vacuum today or tomorrow? Which room needs dusting most? Let's talk about taking out the trash and recycling. Questions. Is the trash full? Where should I put the recycling? Do I need to take the trash out now? You can also practice polite requests. Can you help me carry this trash outside? Would you mind separating the bottles and cans? Now let's discuss organizing and tidying. Questions. What books should I put on the shelf? Which clothes should I keep or donate? Do I need to clean the desk? Other phrases. Can I organize the kitchen drawers? Should I tidy the living room before guests arrive? Next, let's talk about common mistakes beginners make when talking about housework. One mistake is forgetting to use the correct verbs. I sweep floor? The correct question is, can I sweep the floor? Another mistake is using the wrong tense. Did you cook lunch yesterday is correct. Cook lunch yesterday is not clear. Another mistake is being too short. Clean kitchen? The correct question is, can you help me clean the kitchen? Even if people understand you, using complete sentences sounds more polite and natural. Now let's practice a conversation about housework. Amelia says, "Excuse me, can you help me fold these clothes?" Other person answers, "Sure, where should I put them?" Amelia says, "Please put them on the shelf in the bedroom." Other person answers, "Okay, done." This is a simple, clear, and polite exchange using questions. Now let's talk about tips for doing housework more easily. 1. Start with small tasks. 2. Do one room at a time. 3. Use the right tools. 4. Plan your chores. 5. Ask for help if needed. 6. Take breaks. Ask yourself, what can I do first? Do I need help? Am I tired now? Finally, here is a small challenge for you. Today or tomorrow, try to ask at least 5 questions in English about housework. Ask at home, with your family, or even practice by yourself. Write your questions down, speak them out loud, and try to answer them. The more you ask questions, the better your English becomes, and housework will feel easier and more organized. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode. This is Amelia, and I will see you again in the next English podcast for beginners. Keep asking questions, keep practicing, and stay organized. Goodbye.